Okay, this is Cooking with John Free. This is Cooking with John Free. And Mom will be helping make a cake. Yeah.
Okay. Who's the cake for?
James, no, brother's cake. Yeah. These are the steps to make a cake. First we need eggs. All of them. Does it actually take like 3 eggs to make a cake? Is that true?
Yeah, sometimes it's 3.
Okay, 3 eggs.
I don't know.
I think we got 3 eggs.
You need 6 eggs.
What the? That's not true.
Six eggs.
That's not true.
6 eggs.
Okay, I got 6 eggs.
Okay, crack your 6 eggs into the red bowl.
I'm a little scared. Come on, it's not cracking. Come on. Okay. I just got 1 shell. Does that count? Oh, whoops. That's how I crack eggs. I get 1 crack and do this. Now we have our cracked eggs. What's...
Yep, wash it
Yeah. So
in. Okay, we need 2 waters.
Okay.
Yep.
We need 1 more scoop of water.
Yep, 2 of those.
And then we need the smaller ones. That should be enough
Full
water.
of milk.
Oh, cooking oil. I love drinking. This will be so good when it's on. Oh, geez, that's a lot.
I know.
Okay. Now we have this concoction right here. And then we need this chocolate powder that and someone handed and magic guy just handed me this. All of it.
Yes. And the second one.
Jeez, this is a lot. That looks... What? Where's the camera? Still scissors. We're gonna make a cake. A chocolate one. A chocolate cake. Dude, this is a lot.
That's a lot of cake.
Dude, there's egg on the floor. Nothing. I said nothing. Now we got this bowl of concoction, brown concoction. This only is for adults help. Is that frosting? It doesn't look like a cake. Yes, we totally need cheese. What do we do with the thing? Are those for the cupcakes?
Cakes. We're making a triple layer. That's why we made 2 boxes.
Dude, there's like 3 cakes.
Yes.
Why is
Triple. Triple layer.
what's for the triple?
Triple thing of cake. You want them equally put into every pan so they don't overcook, which is why you're measuring your batter.
This is going to be the 5th step. Use an adult. Use an adult.
Okay, now I need the scooper.
Chocolate. Whoa. Whoa, you got a lot out there. Oh, you got a lot.
Yep, that's a scraper.
I didn't know this part.
Alright, now they're ready to go in the oven.
Mimi will help because the oven is hot.
Okay, bring me the pants.
Oh,
One at a time. There you go. Good job. Thank you.
Perfect. Why are you touching it with your bare hands?
I'm not. I got a towel in my hand. Okay. And that's it till we take them out.
2 hours later.
Okay. Oh, that looks done. Maybe I should do this. Oh, and then frosting?
Mm-mm. Tomorrow's frosting.
Ah.
That's why you had to make them today so they cool off. So we can do frosting tomorrow. Here's the cakes.
Yes, they look so good. You want to eat it.
Tomorrow is frosting.
Okay, bye.
So part 2.
Yeah.
Tomorrow.
I hope the first part wasn't that long. So. Also, ask an adult first to cut the cake. Whoa, that looks like paper. Looks like 2D paper.
Get another plate.
I'll eat that later.
Yeah. This is so your cake is flat for when you frost.
Okay.
Oh, looks pretty flat.
Okay, you can. Okay. Whoa. That's a huge spot. Eat that later. Whoa, that's a lot of chocolate.
It's very chocolatey.
Why does it just look like frosting to me? Frosting, my favorite thing ever. Do I smear like this?
Yeah, very gently so you don't rip the cake.
Can
Or
you
want
do
me-
it?
Do you want me to do it? Okay.
Frosting. Wow, that can do like 3 cakes. Without even running out.
Frosting used to go a lot further back in.
Whoa. Well, that's a lot of chocolate. Whoa, it's going a little down.
And the trick is to get your frosting slightly warm so it smears better.
Yeah, same.
Because if you use cold frosting, you'll rip your cake and it won't.
Cold frosting, like,
Cold frosting
jeez.
will rip your cake.
Oh no, that's such a tiny cake. It's pretty tiny.
Well, it's a triple layer, so it's not going to be as big as normal.
It looks like a pizza. Looks like a pizza.
That waits for a second. little bit.
Now I have to spell J's.
No, happy birthday.
J-O-A-O.
How do we spell happy birthday?
First a P. Where
That's
does
a B, and that's birthday.
where?
Happy's in front.
Oh. Okay. Do I put the J-H right here? Should I put
I
it?
think you should start here.
Keep on moving. Oh, now I hear.
And the A.
Like this.
Yep. Perfect.
Now PP.
Hey, don't say PB.
I totally did not say that. Okay, perfect.
Yep.
And then the second P.
Yep.
And then the Y.
And the Y.
The Y.
And then we'll do birthday.
You'll do.
No, you'll do it. There you go. B-I.
I'm gonna put this one here. Put P. And then D. And then the Y. I think I did a good job.
Let's see what she did. Good job.
No, nobody said cake. I said we're not making cake. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. And goodbye.